The way we take notes and manage information is about to change forever. Imagine never having to format, organize, or even search for that one note you know you saved somewhere. Welcome to Notebook LM, the revolutionary platform Google just released that combines cutting edge AI with seamless note management. Today, I'll walk you through what Notebook LM is, how it works, and how you can get started using it, plus a bonus feature for exporting your insights like a pro. Notebook LM is not just another AI tool, it's a complete reimagining of how we interact with our notes. Powered by Google's Gemini AI, Notebook LM is designed to help you turn your notes into actionable, creative insights. Oh, and the project is co created by Stephen Johnson, a best selling author and pioneer in tools for thought. Let's dive into how you can get started. First, visit notebooklm.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. Note that as of now, signups are limited to users in the US who are 18 or older. Once inside, you'll see a simple interface where everything is organized in notebooks. Each notebook is like a digital workspace for a specific project, be it a writing assignment, meeting notes, or even class takeaways. Here's where the magic begins: the sources column. You can upload Google Drive documents, PDFs, or even paste text directly. Notebook LM can handle up to 4 million words at once, far beyond the context limits of other AI tools. For example, let's upload notes from a course I took recently. The AI immediately creates a summary and extracts key topics, which you can explore in detail. But the real power comes from combining sources. Add multiple files, and the AI will synthesize information from across all your documents, giving you a consolidated view. Once your sources are loaded, the chat box becomes your personal research assistant. Extracts key topics, which you can explore in detail. But the real power comes from combining sources. Add multiple files, and the AI will synthesize information from across all your documents, giving you a consolidated view. Once your sources are loaded, the chat box becomes your personal research assistant. You can ask the AI to summarize a topic, reformat information into a Q&A or a narrative, even rewrite content in your style. For example, let's ask the AI to distill the key takeaways from my course notes into a list of actionable points. And there it is, simple, clear, and ready to use. If you find a response you love, just pin it to the pin board. This way, your most valuable insights are always at the top of your screen, easy to reference and hard to lose. Need to add new information? Just click Add Note to paste or write directly into the notebook. This is great for incorporating ideas from emails, web pages, or other apps. But what if you want to share or present your work? That's where the massive Mark Playground on Bibsit.com comes in. export your notes, insights, or even AI generated outputs into beautifully formatted documents or presentations. It's seamless, and it adds that extra layer of polish to your work.